happiest nation in Asia?
That would have to be Vietnam.
Welcome to Vietnam. Here we are, stuck on the side of the road in the middle of nowhere.
So we were originally told that the bus ride was going to be 23 hours. But that's not including 7 hours to wait for the Vietnam border to reopen. And it did not include this 3 to 4 hour bus breakdown. So it wasn't until that we flagged down another bus, begged them to take us to Hanoi, that we finally arrived in Hanoi somewhere around 10 p.m. And here we are.
Welcome to Hanoi. It's my first time in Vietnam, and as Anthony Bourdain said, it grabs you and doesn't let you go. Once you love it forever. And it's true. I fell in love with Hanoi really quick. And why I love it is the city seems walkable. You don't have to get a taxi or motorbike to go somewhere. You can just walk to places. It just amazes me how people are sitting on these little chairs in the coffee shops on the side of the street and just hang out. They seem so relaxed. And me, as a big coffee lover, I loved every coffee place I went to. It's something special about them. They're small, cute, interesting in some way. Plus, you can have a nice cup of coffee for $2 maximum. That's amazing.